In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Replit in Laptop 2025. Let's start simple. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This gives us a clean, familiar place to find the official download quickly. In the Google search bar, type a query that will take you straight to the official Replit desktop app download page. You're aiming for the Replit desktop app, so a straightforward search for the Replit download page will do. The goal here is just to get to the official source, so keep an eye out for results that clearly point to Replit's website. From the results page, click the download result that leads to Replit's official site. You should see wording that references the Replit desktop app. If you're ever unsure, the official domain will be replit.com, and the desktop app page is hosted at replit.com desktop. Using the official site helps you avoid outdated links or third-party downloads. Once you're on the Replit desktop app page, you'll see clear download options for the major operating systems. Choose the one that matches your laptop. If you're on a Mac, click Download for Mac. If you're on a Windows laptop, click Download for Windows. And if you're using a Linux laptop, click Download for Linux. Pick only the option that applies to your device. This keeps things simple and ensures you get the right installer for your system. After you click the correct download button, your browser will begin fetching the installer file for that platform. If the download doesn't begin right away, give it a moment, then check for any pop-up blockers or download prompts at the top or bottom of your browser window. You can also try refreshing the page or using another browser if your connection is spotty. As a general tip, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough free storage space so the file can save without interruptions. While you're on the page, note any notes or version indicators next to the download buttons. Replit updates the desktop app over time, and it's best to grab the latest version available. If you're not sure which operating system your laptop is running, you can quickly check your system settings so you pick the correct download option. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, search for the official Replit desktop app, click through to the Replit site, and then click the download button that matches your laptop, Mac,